Sharing my current nighttime beauty essentials. So, ito yung kumbaga beauty kit or kikay kit ko pero for nighttime. These are the products that I reach for if I really want yung talagang beauty rest. I mean, lalo na kapag may mga event kayo the next day, pag meron kayong pinaghahandaan. Anyway, first, our facial sheet mask. So, nasa sheet mask era ko ngayon, kaya ang dami ko iba-ibang tinatry. So, let's use this one. Damage tuloy siya. As in, para siyang gelatin and it feels so relaxing. Actually, recommended is to leave this on overnight or 3 to 4 hours para talagang ma-absorb siya on the skin. So, tomorrow ko na siya tatanggalin. Parang ito na talaga yung skincare ko for tonight. And this one, I can't live without this anymore. Every time magta-travel ako, nilalagay ko pa siya dun sa medicine kit ko. Ito yung Wellspring Nighttime Beauty. And melatonin siya na merong collagen and hyaluronic acid. Ano ko talaga, kahit ano pang skincare ko, kahit 10 steps pa yan, kung hindi maganda yung quality ng sleep ko, iba rin yung quality ng skin ko in the morning. And this one really helps me have a good quality restful sleep. As a literal na beauty rest. Kasi nga, aside sa melatonin, meron din siyang collagen and hyaluronic acid. Although, bonus na lang yun for me. Yung melatonin talaga yung habol ko dito. So, I usually just take 1 gummy, sometimes half. Depende sa kailangan ko. But now, I really need a full gummy. Ang sarap pa niya. Strawberry flavor. And every time I take this, alam na yun ang husband ko, within 30 minutes, as in tulog na talaga ako. And mahimbing yung tulog. And kapag well-rested ako, kapag feeling ko kompleto and quality sleep talaga, mas energized ako, mas productive ako the next day. And ako talaga guaranteed sa akin yan, iba yung quality ng skin ko kapag ganon. Minsan, the more na-stress ka, mas active yung brain mo, naisipin yung kinaka-stress mo. So, this also helps me with that. And then, I also have a room and linen spray na lavender. Ito, binigay ito sa akin ng best friend ko. This one, I spray sa pillow ko, sa blanket ko, sa room. And this really relaxes me. As in, para akong nasa spa. Mahilig kasi ako sa fragrance. Mahilig ako sa scent. And big help din siya for me for relaxation. And lastly is my favorite heated eye mask. I always buy this whenever I'm in Japan. Itong dalawa actually, yung kung papapiliin ako ng dalawa lang dito sa routine na to. Ito yung dalawang isi-save ko. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, number 1, heated eye mask siya. So, once you open it and ilagay mo siya sa may eyes mo, unti-unti na siya magiging warm. It feels so relaxing. And may scent din siya na lavender. So, si lavender talaga, as in instantly na-relax ako sa scent na yun. And also, ang maganda rin, kapag meron kang eye mask, you are forced to close your eyes. Minsan kasi tayo, diba, pag sobrang grabe tumakbo yung isip mo, kunin mo yung phone mo, mag-social media ka, and minsan di na natin namamalayan, ang tagal na natin nagsuscroll. So, this one, as in, wala kang choice, nakapikit ka lang. Hindi mo mamalayan, tulog ka na. So, yep, I thought of sharing this kasi this is also part of my beauty routine. Like, aside sa skincare, makeup, sleep is a big part of beauty. Like, no amount of skincare, makeup can fully mask a low quality or poor sleep. And promise, iba talaga yung ganda kapag well-rested ka. Kaya nga, beauty rest. Anyway, medyo umi-effect na yung melatonin ko. I need to sleep para tomorrow ganda-gandahan ulit tayo. Good night!